Well, good morning, everybody. Where you at? There you are. So I want to do a review here, and it's a little unboxing, and I don't know if you call it much of a review, but I feel like I could speak to it now because I already have one of these installed on one of my cameras. It's a Shyueda. Shyueda. Can you guys got that? 4-watt high efficiency solar panel, weather and dust proof. So like I said, I've put one of these, and it's made in China. I've put one of these on one of my cameras already, and it worked wonderfully. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to purchase one of these. So it's a 4-watt solar panel for a Google camera, for a Nest battery camera. And I got tired of charging mine. It seems like, especially lately, every bird in the neighborhood is setting them off. So that's what you get in the box. You have your, oh, it's got a little ding in it. You guys see that little ding right there? See it? Yeah, of course you can see it. So it's, I mean, it's pretty cut and dry. On the other solar panel, I looked at the battery percentage, and then plugged the solar panel in, and I checked on it a couple of times, and it was working just fine. So I think what I'm gonna do, because this is a metal building, and the camera I want to do now is on top of this building, watching out over everything out there. So I think I'm gonna screw it to the fence. It's got a long enough wire. I don't remember how. It's like a 15-foot. Does it say on here? I think it's like a 12 or 15-foot wire on it. 13.1-foot cable. 8-inch by 5.3-inch by 0.8-inch, 4-watt. It says normally the capacity of the battery will increase by 2% to 3% after 5 hours of sunlight. And it does charge very slow, and obviously at nighttime your camera's going to use its battery to continue working. But I found day in and day out, you know, you'll end one day at, like, say 40% when you first plug this in. You'll end the next day at 44%, and the next day at 47%, the next day at 52%, and it just constantly climbs. And right now my solar panel's been at 100% every time I've looked at it. So yeah, let's go mount the mount to the fence, and we'll take a look at my phone, and I'll show you what the battery is at right now, and then we'll check it at the end of the day and see where it is then. So here is our batteries at 6% right now. We have 21 hours of usage left, so we'll get this panel installed, and then we'll see where we're at the end of the day. It's currently 6:59 in the morning. All right, so the camera currently is right up there. Where's it at? Right there, I think. I'm gonna put the panel on the fence over there. You know what I'm gonna do. So I got a bunch of garbage to climb over. Let's get started. Oh boy, someday I gotta come in here and just take everything to the dump. Maybe that day's today. I'm worried I'm gonna break my leg. Woo! Alright, so I want this to be that away. That's not good. I think I'm gonna have to use different screws. These screws are just Chinese junk. Do I have something in here? I should. I got screws everywhere. Constantly getting screwed. Huh, you guys get that one? Of course you did. Come on, where are they at? Well, I don't want to go all the way through. Or maybe I do. You know what? I do. I think I'm only going to be able to use two because there's no way I'll get that one out of there. Where did my... There. And I do believe these screws are going to use a different bit. You know, I should have remembered, because that was the one thing on the other ones that I noticed the screws were just garbage. All right, let's go that route. Let us go that route. Now to get back over here without breaking a leg. Oh my God. It just broke that screw. Are you kidding me? I'm having no manner of luck today. Now I have to remove this one. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was so funny. I was able to back out the stripped one and then just screw it back in. All right, so if we can get this last one in there, I think we'll be golden. We're golden. Now to get out of here with all of my fingers and toes and no broken ankles. I really do need to get that cleaned up. It is just, it's been a mess for a long, long time. Okay, now we get our solar panel hooked up there and plugged into the camera. And it should, if it works like the other one, it should just immediately recognize it. I'm just going to put it in no particular position for now. Do. Run it up over there. Run it up over there. And then plug her in. Do you notice a difference yet? I don't know if it's going to register yet because it's kind of in the shadows. The sun's just starting to peek over through the trees. But that's all you got to do. You just mount the panel, you plug it in. Now let's check. And it should have switched over to... Alright, let's see. It should have just seamlessly switched over to say that it was solar now. So it does show... Oh, there you go, look. See, it says solar. It's probably hard for you guys to see. It says solar, low battery, 4%. So yeah, so we'll just leave it alone and we'll let it charge now and we'll see what it looks like at the end of the day. Alright, so there it is after sitting out in the sun all day, 65%. It's pretty awesome, worked out pretty good.